Hola you guys, it is me, Galaxy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's mug is brought to you by Mented Cosmetics. In my last announcement video, I got to announce that I am a Mented mentor. In a nutshell, this basically means you get to see my beautiful face, show off how I like to apply the foundation sticks, blush products, eyebrows, any and everything from the brand. Now, if you are interested in seeing how I got this Skin by Mented, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so first I'm starting off with orange color corrector just to neutralize my facial hair. Following that, I'm taking the loose setting powder in the shade Light Tan to set the color corrector. That way we ensure that it does not blend in with the foundation. Now we're taking the loose powder brush to dust away all that extra powder. Alright y'all, outside of me, Skin by Mented is the real star of the show. T40 was the first shade, and now I'm mixing together M10 to get my perfect complexion shade. Now I'm going back with the loose powder brush to lightly stipple to blend the foundation all over, being extra gentle where we first color corrected. Ladies and gentlemen, now presenting Skin by Mented. You guys, I absolutely love these foundation sticks because they are multi-purpose sticks. Here I'm taking the foundation brush to blend out my contour shade, which is the shade D20. The best method I found to blend out a cream contour is to use a light stippling motion. Girl, take it from me, pat until your arm falls off. You can never do too much blending. I went back in with the loose powder brush as you guys see, and I'm just doing extra blending all over to really marry my cream contour and foundation. Immediately following that step, I take a little bit of the loose setting powder and a big powder puff and set my entire face. Now because my melanin is popping, I take a skin tone pressed powder and dust away that loose bake. Now going in with another multi-purpose product. This is the Everyday Eyeshadow Palette, and it really could just be called Everyday Palette because that's exactly what it is. Now I know most of you are thinking, oh no she didn't, but oh yes I did. Here we have a before and after of setting your cream contour with a powder. From the Everyday Eyeshadow Palette, I'm using the shade Brown Out. For the nose contour, I'm using a fluffy blending eyeshadow brush. Now we are ready for some blush. I'm using the shade Peach for the Stars, which is a soft shimmery blush. As you see, the undertone is very coral and it has a soft golden reflection. Oh yes baby, she came to steal the show, and by she I mean this lip combo. We are using the shade Night Lip Liner paired with Pink About Me lip gloss. Baby, these lips in one word, wow. To bring back the definition that our brows need, I love using the highbrow pencil in the shade Brow or Later. These pencils are also waterproof, but I live in Florida, so I like to call them Florida proof. Now, of course, we had to finish this look using the Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. I'm taking the shade Upside Brown and going all over the crease down to the lash line. Taking a pinch of the shade Beige, I'm going to sweep this underneath the arch of both eyebrows. What I'm doing is focusing this on the tail end to give the brow a little bit more of a lift. Here I am going back in with the shade Upside Brown just to blend those two together. Remember, you can never do too much blending. To add a little flair but still be cohesive, I'm going back in with the shade Beige for my inner corner highlight. To finish off any eyeshadow look, you have one of three choices: mascara, false lashes, or mascara and false lashes, okay? At this point, it's a wrap. Spray it down till you drown, set it and forget it. And there you have it. I know this video was focused on the skin, but I cannot stop looking at my lips ever since I put this lip combo on. Once again, shout out to the lip combo. What would you like to see in the next video? I have lip products, eyebrows, blush, eyeshadow. I have a little bit of everything, so there are no limits. All right, you guys, so if you have made it this far in the video, I want to give you a big shout out and a big thanks. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit follow, give me a comment down below. Meet me in the comments, actually. I want to hear what you think about Mented Cosmetics. I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Adios.